Today I'll be talking about Mudbray, the first ground Pokemon and base Pokemon introduced in Gen 7. Its previous PYC dates are March 16th, 1998, January 15th, 2001, November 17th, 2003, September 18th, 2006, July 20th, 2009, May 21st, 2012, March 23rd, 2015, January 22nd, 2018, November 23rd, 2020, and September 25th, 2023. I think Mudbray has an excellent design for a donkey Pokemon. Anyway, I most know Mudbray from the back of Pokemon Sun, as well as a trailer for Pokemon Sun and Moon. Anyway, let's get into the Bulbapedia article. Hello and welcome to the Bulbapedia section of the video. Today we'll be talking about Mudbray, the donkey Pokemon, whose number is 0749. This is what it looks like. Its type is ground, abilities own tempo or stamina. Inner focus is an ability. Gender ratio is 50-50, catch rate is 190 or 35.2%, breeding is a group field, hatch time 20 cycles, height is 3'3" or 1 meter, weight is 242.5 pounds or 110 kilograms. Base experience yield is 77, leveling rate is medium fast, EV yield is 1, and attack, shape is that. Pokedex color is brown, and base friendship is 70. Mudbray is a ground type Pokemon introduced in Gen 7. It evolves into Mudsdale starting at level 30. Biology, Mudbray is a quadrupedal equine Pokemon resembling a small donkey. It has a dark brown coat with a cream-colored underbelly, muzzle, and circular markings on each cheek. A short teardrop-shaped blaze extends up from its muzzle, and it has long, pointed ears with pink insides. Its large eyes have horizontal pupils, black bangs hang over its face before turning into a stiff mane along its neck. Additionally, it has a short black tail. Thick cream-colored mud surrounds each black hoof. Mudbray can be kept happy by giving it time to frolic in and consume mud. Mudbray's diet consists of eating dirt in order to create mud. It then regurgitates the mud in order to cover itself in it. Mudbray's mud won't dry out even when exposed to the sun for long periods of time. Denying it this will cause it to become stressed and disobey its trainer. This Pokemon boasts immense strength for its size and is able to drag or carry loads up to 50 times its own weight. Mudbray are known to be skilled at using mud. The mud that collects around its hooves enhances its grip and power. Notably, it allows Mudbray to travel through rough terrain without slipping. Because it was hunted nearly to extinction when it lived all over the world, it was believed for a time to run wild only in Alola. Despite this, Mudbray have been seen roaming in Galar and Paldea, suggesting that its population is slowly recovering from near extinction. Prior to Gen 9, Mudbray and its evolved form, Mudsdale, were the only known Pokemon that could have stamina as an ability. Evolution, Mudbray evolves into Mudsdale, so Mudbray, Mudsdale. Game data, Pokedex entries, Gen 7, Sun. The mud stuck to Mudbray's hooves enhances its grip and its powerful running gait. Moon. It has a stubborn, individualistic disposition. Eating dirt, making mud, and playing in the mire all form part of its daily routine. Ultra Sun. It loves playing in the mud. If it isn't showered with mud on a daily basis, it gets stressed out and stops listening to its trainer. Ultra Moon. Possessing mighty power, Mudbray can be loaded with 50 times its own body weight, and will be totally fine. In Gen 8 Sword, loads weighing up to 50 times as much as its own body weight pose no issue for this Pokemon. It's skilled at making use of mud. Shield. It eats dirt to create mud, and smears this mud all over its feet, giving them the grip needed to walk on rough terrain without slipping. In Gen 9 Scarlet, this Pokemon covers itself in mud that it has regurgitated. The mud won't dry out even if it's exposed to the sun for a long time. Violet. Though a slow walker, Mudbray is plenty strong. Its pace doesn't change even when it's loaded with 50 times its own body weight. Mudbray in the Alola Pokedex. Mudbray in the Paldea Pokedex. There's 4 of them here in this, of course, muddy area. Mudbray in the Kitakami Pokedex. You can see there's 3 of them here. In the rain, in this kind of gravelly area. Sure, running towards mud. Game locations. Side game locations. Held items in Sun, Moon, Ultra Sun, Ultra Moon, Sword and Shield has Light Clay 5% of the time. Stats, base stats, HP 70, attack 100, defense 70, special attack 45, special defense 55, speed 45 for a total of 385. Type effectiveness, damage normally by normal, fighting, flying, ground, bug, ghost, steel, fire, psychic, dragon, dark, and fairy. Weak to water, grass and ice, all for double, immune to electric, resistant to poison, and rock for half. Notes, if this Pokemon is given a ring target, the effectiveness of electric-type moves is 1, so go from 0 to 1. Learns it by leveling up. 1, Mud Slap and Rock Smash. 4, Iron Defense. 8, Double Kick. 12, Bulldoze. 16, Stomp. 20, Strength. 24, Counter. 28, High Horsepower. 32, Heavy Slam. 36, Earthquake. 40 Mega Kick, and 44 Superpower. By TM, TM001 Takedown, 5 Mudslap, 7 Protect, 12 Low Kick, 25 Facade, 28 Bulldoze, 36 Rock Tomb, 39 Low Sweep, 47 Endure, 49 Sunny Day, 51 Sandstorm, 66 Body Slam, 70 Sleep Talk, 84 Stomping Tantrum, 85 Rest, 86 Rock Slide, 99 Iron Head, 103 Substitute, 104 Iron Defense, 116 Stealth Rock, 121 Heavy Slam, 133 Earth Power, 149 Earthquake, 150 Stone Edge, 167 Close Combat, 171 Terror Blast, 172 Roar, 176 Sand Tomb, 179 Smackdown, 186 High Horsepower, 204 Double Edge, 205 Endeavor, and 224 Curse. By breeding, this group gives it Double Edge, this group gives it Endeavor, this group gives it Fissure, this group gives it Roar, and this group gives it Smackdown. Side game data, you got on this. Evolution data, Mudbray, level 30, Mudsdale. Sprites here, so you got the model, Shiny, is gold for the brown and blue for the black. Gen 8, you get the much better models. Homes, you get these models. Animation. Mudbray in Pokemon the series, Sun and Moon with Lana. Got all this. Pokedex entries in Sun and Moon, episode 11 in the Rotom Pokedex. Mudbray, the donkey Pokemon. A ground type, Mudbray are stubborn and independent. Their daily routine includes eating dirt and frolicking in the mud they kick up. Pokemon Twilight Wings in the manga. Got all this. The TCG. Trivia, while Mudbray has a 5% chance of holding the Light Clay, it cannot learn Light Screen, Reflect, or Aurora Veil. Concept and development, concept art featuring Mudbray from Pokemon Sun and Moon. Got a bunch of the different angles, the different heads, and then got it bucking, carrying all this straw, person trying to move it, but it's all stubborn. Origin, Mudbray seems to be based on a donkey. Name origin, Mudbray may be a combination of mud and bray, cry of a donkey. Doro Bonko may be a combination of Doro, mud, Roba, donkey, Bonba, draft horse, and Ko, young animal. Languages, references, external links, let's move on. Now let's watch Mudbray's first scene in the anime. Hello and welcome to the anime portion of the video. Today we're watching episode 950, Young Kiawe Had a Farm. In this episode, Ash Ketchum, the main character, and his faithful Pokemon Pikachu have learned that their lowland friend, Kiawe, has a family farm, and they've helped deliver fresh moo milk from that farm, and now they're returning to Kiawe's farm. This is Kiawe's Charizard, and Ash is riding this Pelipper here. There's the Mudbray and some Tauros. And that is Mudbray's first scene in the anime. Let's move on. Now let's see why other people love Mudbray. Now let's look at fan art. Hello and welcome to the fan art section of the video. Nobody sent fan art, so instead we're looking at DeviantArt fan art. Those of you who aren't from the series, what we do is we go through these images and talk about an image that doesn't contain a Mudbray. This is Mudbray by Riv DA. So you've got this nice, stylized image of Mudbray here, wearing a scarf. Very well done. This is Mudbray TCG by Funstar Arts. You got this collection of TCG images of Mudbray. This is Mudsdale and Mudbray, Joy in the Mud by Haddock. So this is AI image of Mudsdale and Mudbray. This is Lula and Mudbray by Chris Shark. So it's Mudbray and I don't know who Lula is. But I guess this is Lula. It's a Mudloo by Rasselmon. So it's this fusion between a Mudbray and a Wooloo here. Hatching from the egg. Interesting. Mudloo? This is Mudbray and Mudsdale by Lugia Lover 249. So it got this nice hand-drawn image of Mudbray and Mudsdale here. Very well done. This is Yori, daughter of Eeyore and Mudbray by Chris Shark. This AI image of Mudbray and I guess this anthropomorphic donkey character. Like, yeah. Weird. This is Pokemon Skytail, Donkey, the Plow Driver by the almighty Alex. Got this interesting colored Mudbray here, plowing this field for this person. I think he's playing maybe an instrument or something. Interesting. This is Mudbray and Mudsdale by Destino. So, got this nice art of Mudbray and a Mudsdale, mimicking the famous picture of
A baby horse and a mother horse sticking their tongue out. Very well done. This is sketch art, Pokedex number 749 to 750, Mudbray Family by Sunnyvan1. So we got this nice image of Mudbray and Mudsdale here. Very well done. This is Afternoon Nap by You Got Trouble. So you've got this nice image of Mudbray and I guess a trainer sitting out on their farm here, under a tree. Yeah. Very well done. This is an AI image of a mascot costume, and I don't count costumes, so this is where we're gonna stop. We'll move on.
Thanks to everyone who submitted fan art. Tomorrow I'll be talking about Mudsdale. As always, this is my proper outfit. You'll see me tomorrow.